Welcome to English Quiz Channel. Total questions 20. You have 10 seconds for each question. Feel free to pause the video if you need more time. Let's get started.
She tried to finish the project on time. The train arrives at 9 a.m. every day. They walk to the supermarket. I ate my breakfast early this morning. The cat caught the mouse. She baked the cake for the party. We watched a great movie last weekend. The students answered their exams carefully. He plays the guitar very well. They cooked dinner before the guests arrived. I finished my homework last night. The bird flew in the sky. He danced at the party yesterday. We moved to the new city last year. The flower blooms beautifully in spring. She wrote a letter to her grandmother. They cleaned the entire house in one day. I heard my favorite song on the radio. The dog ran into the yard. He gave me a book last Christmas.
Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this mixed English grammar quiz and learned something new today. If you had fun, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more quizzes and learning content.